For homeowners in Middleton, a comfortable home means more than just stylish interiors. It's about maintaining a consistent indoor climate while keeping energy bills in check. One of the biggest factors influencing comfort is the quality of your windows and, just as importantly, how they're installed. Even the most energy-efficient windows won't perform as they should if they aren't installed correctly. Proper window installation is key to reducing drafts, lowering utility costs, and creating a healthier, cozier living space. Wide drafts are a common problem in Middleton homes. Drafts often creep in through gaps or poor seals around windows, and over time, small issues can grow into bigger problems. In Middleton's seasonal climate, where winters can be brisk and summers warm, drafts not only make your home uncomfortable but also drive up heating and cooling costs. Common causes of drafty windows include poor or uneven installation leading to gaps between the frame and wall, old or deteriorating seals that no longer block air and moisture, warped frames caused by moisture exposure or age, low-quality materials that simply can't withstand Middleton's weather conditions. How proper installation makes the difference. Precise measurements and fit. Professional window installation begins with accurate measurements. A properly sized window fits snugly into the opening, leaving no unnecessary gaps that could let air or moisture through. Skilled installers also account for slight structural shifts in older Middleton homes, ensuring a tight, secure fit. Quality sealing and insulation. The seal around the window is just as important as the window itself. During installation, professionals apply insulating foam, flashing, and caulking designed to withstand Middleton's seasonal weather changes. This creates a barrier against drafts and prevents conditioned air from escaping. Correct alignment. Improperly aligned windows may not close properly, leaving small cracks that invite drafts. Proper installation ensures that windows open and shut smoothly, aligning perfectly with frames for maximum insulation and comfort. Long-term durability. Poor installation may look fine at first but can lead to long-term problems like leaks, rot, or frame separation. By contrast, professional installation guarantees durability, so your windows perform optimally for years to come. The comfort benefits for Middleton families. Consistent indoor temperatures. No one wants to sit in a living room where one side feels chilly and the other overheated. Properly installed windows help distribute heating and cooling evenly throughout your home, eliminating cold spots caused by drafts. Lower energy bills. When your HVAC system doesn't have to compensate for escaping air, it runs more efficiently. This translates to lower monthly utility bills, which is especially valuable in Middleton's seasonal climate swings. Quieter living spaces. Proper sealing not only blocks drafts but also reduces noise infiltration from outside. Families living in busy Middleton neighborhoods will enjoy a quieter, more peaceful indoor environment. Healthier homes. Drafts often bring in dust, allergens, and excess moisture. Over time, this can lead to respiratory issues or even mold growth. A secure installation protects your family's health by keeping contaminants outside where they belong. Why professional installation matters. DIY window installation may seem like a money-saving idea, but even small mistakes can lead to costly consequences. Professionals bring experience with Middleton homes and their unique building styles, knowledge of local climate conditions to recommend the right materials, warranties on both the product and labor, offering peace of mind. By choosing certified installers, you're ensuring that your investment in new windows pays off in long-term comfort and performance. Final thoughts for homeowners in Middleton. Proper window installation is about more than just aesthetics. It's about protecting your home, improving comfort, and reducing energy costs. Drafts may seem like a minor inconvenience, but they can quickly escalate into higher bills and reduced indoor comfort. By working with trusted professionals and prioritizing correct installation, you'll enjoy a home that feels cozier, more efficient, and healthier all year round. In the end, investing in professional window installation is one of the smartest ways to enhance both your home's comfort and its long-term value.